Hey there, welcome back. Today, I'm walking you through a super simple process, how to update Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Whether you're experiencing bugs, want the latest features, or just like keeping your browser up to date for security reasons, I've got you covered. This will take less than 2 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, make sure Edge is open. Now, here's what you do. Step 1. Click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of your browser. That's your settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down and click on Settings near the bottom of that drop-down menu. Step 3. On the left sidebar, look for About Microsoft Edge. It's usually near the bottom. Click on that. Step 4. And here's the magic, Edge will automatically start checking for updates. You'll see a progress indicator right on this screen. If an update is available, Edge will download and install it automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the update size, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the download completes, you'll see a Restart button. Click that to finish the installation. Don't worry, Edge will remember your open tabs and restore them after the restart. Now running the latest version. Want to confirm you're on the latest version? Just go back to Settings About Microsoft Edge and you'll see your current version number along with a message saying Microsoft Edge is up to date. And we're done! You've successfully updated Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.